In this video, we will show you how to scan image to text from Android smartphone. In here, we are using text scanner. The icon of the application is look like this. You need to go to your Play Store to install text scanner. Just type text scanner. After you type text scanner, make sure you install the application Evoli.app in here. Okay, this is the developer name and this is free. Even there is premium version, but you can just using for free version. After you install the text scanner, you can just click open, and in here you can scan text directly from your gallery. Okay, I will show you here. I will open my gallery. I will take this text or photo from Windows Insider and we can click scan here. Okay, after this is the appear, just clicking this icon. Okay, you can see there all the text has been scanned successfully from the image. Okay, and the number second, you can also using your camera to take a photo using this icon. For example, just close this again. I will scan my laptop keyboard. Okay, you can see on the screen. I will take a photo of this. You can only scan 3 photos per day for free. Please upgrade or watch a video to unlock next recognition. Just I said, you can using this application for free. Even there is premium version. I will skip this ads. This is the times of the ads. You can close or skip after that. Okay, the close button is appear. You can click them and reposition again and take the photo. After that, you can click scan in here. Just click close again. You can see there, this is from my laptop keyboard has been scanned into text successfully. And that's all tutorial how to scan image to text from Android smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you.